Good morning, everyone. I'm Jeff Hood with Hood Company Real Estate, powered by Keller Williams, the #1 name in real estate. I hope you have a wonderful day. If we can help you with your real estate needs, check us out online at hoodcompanyhome.com.
From the Tennessee Valley Weather Channel, this is your weather today.
Good morning to you, and thank you for stopping by the Tennessee Valley Weather Channel on this Thursday. I'm Ben Luna in the Weather Center tracking a winter storm that's on its way into our region as we head into tonight, lasting all the way through Friday. We have a lot to cover over the next few minutes, so we're going to hop right into it. By the way, this weather update this morning is being brought to you as a service of our good friend Jeff Hood down at Hood Company Real Estate in Lawrenceburg. With that said, we will open up this weather update with a check on our winter storm headlines. Here's the overall timing for this, and I'm going to break it down step by step for you and show you our exact thinking of who is going to see what and where the most is going to be. First and foremost, the timing of this system starts early tomorrow morning and then virtually lasts all day. We're going to see activity continue all the way through Friday. Now, widespread heavy snow is very likely, anywhere from 4 to 7 inches of accumulation, if not a little bit more in a few spots across the area. And we are also tracking the potential for a brief wintry mix that we think will really affect folks at this point, Tennessee River and south throughout portions of Alabama. Here's our Futurecast for this event. As we head through this evening, our clouds will be on the increase. Some moisture is going to try to push in a little early. I don't think that's going to make it to the ground, but the majority of this again starts early tomorrow morning and continues in a big swath all the way through the course of Friday afternoon. That's going to account to several inches of accumulation, including that potential for some icing. We're seeing the greatest possibility for icing, again, as I said, Tennessee River south, but we can't rule out a trace amount across North Alabama, backing up into northeast Mississippi. Some of that, give or take a mile or two, might spill over into portions of the southern tier counties, state line area. So again, not an exact science, but we are watching that very carefully. But we do think this is predominantly a snow event for our area, with maybe just a little bit of ice underneath. No, not what you want to hear. That's why we do have major travel impacts expected for this event throughout our coverage area. And remember, our coverage area is this: Murray County to the north, Lawrence, Morgan, and Franklin counties off to the south, then I-65 back to the Tennessee River west, including Tishomingo County. By far, the majority of our viewing area, 4 to 7 inches. A spot or two could see maybe 8 to 9 inches of snow. A little further south, outside of that main band, as we're believing right now, just a little bit less, maybe 2 to 4 inches, and then 1 to 3 as you continue south down I-65 into the south end of North Alabama and then on into central Alabama. So that's the overall thinking for this event. Remind you that we're going to have live coverage starting early Friday morning and lasting all day long. We're going to have folks out in the field tracking to see how roads are. That way you don't have to be out and about, and we're going to do our very best to relay that information to you to deliver you what you need to know to keep you and your family safe. All right, here's a look at the Day Builder forecast. This is for today. Enjoy these above freezing temperatures because I think that's probably going to be it for at least a day or two. Forecast models don't typically account for accumulated precipitation on the ground, so we've really lowered our weekend numbers quite a bit, anticipating that we will have a decent snow across our area. So that means we're going to struggle to be above freezing here, definitely for tomorrow, of course, but into Saturday, just barely in those outlying areas. I don't think we start to see any thawing, at least until Sunday. We finally clear out, though, into the last part of the weekend. We warm up good as we move into next week, highs in the upper 30s, well above freezing. But keep in mind, anything that melts away during the day likely refreezes at night, because we dropped well below freezing again. So I don't think we're looking at a repeat of last January of 24, with how long that stuff stuck around, if you remember. But I do think we are checking out the potential for this stuff hanging around through the weekend and then into the first couple of days of next week. So please be careful. Stay weather aware. We'll provide you the best team coverage possible right here on the Tennessee Valley Weather Channel and all of our platforms. Again, stay with us. We will keep you advised from the first flake to the last one as it moves across the Tennessee Valley, again starting really into early Friday morning and lasting all day tomorrow. Here's the last look at the 7-day forecast. Notice on the tail end of that, we're still close to 40. I think that's a positive spin on the upper 30s with plenty of sunshine into the middle of next week. We are live with another update coming your way at noon today with Kelly, and then of course Fred Gossage here at 5 this evening. Thanks for watching the Tennessee Valley Weather Channel.